Hey fam, good morning to everybody. Good morning. Hope everybody's well today. Listen, as we are all watching this craziness, right, with the murder of the CEO of United Healthcare, right, a lot of things are unfolding, right. But most of the things that I'm seeing online are mainly a lot of people who are highly upset as to the insurance, the healthcare insurance industry, and a lot of claims that's being denied. Okay, so I did a video a couple of days ago in reference to just having like a plan, right, like a backup plan, right. So and why life insurance is so huge. And over almost 50% of the country do not have life insurance because a lot of people, I don't think they truly understand what it is. When people hear life insurance, they immediately think somebody's dying and somebody's getting a check. That's the old type of life insurance, right? The new type of life insurance has something called living benefits. Most policies don't have this, especially if you have your policy for like 10 years or above. It's almost a guarantee you don't have living benefits. And what I want to go over today, right, is what is covered under living benefits, right? Because again, from watching the videos, right, I'm from watching the video and reading the comments, right. A lot of people are talking about they being denied for important surgery, life saving surgery, and things like that. And most people, probably 90+% of the American people, do not have money for surgery. Like for example, right, I had to look this up. The average cost for a brain surgery is anywhere between $30,000 to $100,000. Then you slap on chemo and radiation for an additional $5,000 to $50,000. So we talk about upwards to 150K. Okay, if there's something going on with you up here, if you don't have the money and your claim is denied, like how are you gonna pay for that? Okay, heart surgery, 30,000 to over $200,000 for heart surgery, right? So this is where I believe like living benefits is important. Living benefits is a rider that's tied into your life insurance policy. And what it allows you to do is, in the event that you're diagnosed with quite a few things, which I'm going to go over, right? You're actually able to activate your life insurance policy while you're still alive and actually pull out cash. Okay, so I'm gonna use an example. I did a policy a few months ago for a young lady out in Accokeek, Maryland. Okay, it was a $2 million policy, and people think life insurance is expensive. That $2 million policy, I believe, it was a little bit under $90, I believe, for this young lady for $2 million policy. Now, why is that important? Let's say, for example, and I'm gonna go over in a minute what's under living benefits. A few things that's under living benefits that I want you guys to consider, right? But let's say, for example, her policy is $2 million, which it is. And if she is critically ill, okay, and she decides to pull money from her life insurance living benefit side, she actually has access to this with one of my prime provider. Not every provider gives you this much access, so I use them a lot because I've had friends that have had cancer, so this actually hit home. I saw how important this is. Okay, so you can actually pull out 95% of this $2 million if she wanted to. Okay, now let's say she had to get heart surgery and her healthcare denied it, the claim. Well, she could actually pull out $200,000 from this life insurance and still have $1.8 million left. That God forbid something happens to her, that will still go to her family. And that $200,000 is tax free, don't have to be paid back. It's her money to do whatever she chooses to do with it. Okay? Now, what I want to go over, because I don't want it to be a long video. If you guys have any additional questions, we can schedule a 101 and kind of like go over your options. You can call me at 443 I'm sorry, text me at 443-208-5480. That's 443-208-5480. Or go to my site, TitanEvolutionGroup.com. But I want to go over a list of things. Because with the living benefits, 3 main things are covered. Terminal illness, which means you go to the doctor, they say you have 12 months to live. At that point, you have access to 95% of your policy. Chronic illness, that one is pretty much if you are unable to perform 2 out of 6 of the daily living activity, which is bathing yourself, clothing yourself, using the bathroom by yourself, on continence, things like that, right? You're actually able to tap into your life insurance death benefit while you're still living to get money for a nurse to come tend to you, okay? To get money to, let's say, pay mortgage, car note, bills while you focus on getting better. You understand? And then you have chronic illness, okay? Which covers a plethora of things, right? So, for example, it covers cystic fibrosis. It covers ALS. It covers end-stage renal failure. It covers heart attack, heart valve replacement, major organ replacement like liver, pancreas, bone marrow, lungs, motor neuron disease, stroke. I mean, the list goes on. This is a short video. I don't want to go over the whole thing, but the list goes on and on. So why would you not have a life insurance plan as a backup plan, just in case you need the cash in the event that something was that? You know, I was watching John Q the other day. This whole thing that's going on, like I'm watching a couple of videos, right? And in John Q, I'm watching how, you know, the son had to get some heart surgery. The insurance company denied the claim. He's trying to sell his house, trying to pull money from here, all these things, because they just simply didn't have the money. If you have a life insurance with living benefits, this is a great backup plan for you. So again, if you guys have any additional questions, please feel free to text me. We can schedule a one-on-one and go over this in full detail. Thank you. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Talk to you soon.